he had the song recorded on his little reportophone. And zicea, Dan, uite ce inspirație, you know, hear the song, what do you think of it, you know? And I was like, man, I love the song. Really, you like it? And I was like, yeah, we're going to put it on our CD. Oh, okay, great, it's going to be nice. And actually, it was before Romania, because we practiced it in Phoenix before. It was in 1999, 1998. And de atunci, I love Marius Gorcea, even though he died. He made a big impact on my life, and ever since Marius and Gabi Gorcea always came through Phoenix. This is the Speranța guys, if you guys don't know. I always was moved by them. First time when I met them, I wanted to be a missionary to Africa. I was like, we're going to be missionaries to Africa, me and my friends. And now, I'm going to be a missionary in Iraq. So praise the Lord. Next year in September, I'm going to be in Iraq. But I just want to sing this song. And if you guys can join me, it's my favorite song. And I wanted to give praise to God. Because it's awesome. Ce mare ești tu is the second one. And I think the two tie together great, in my opinion. Doamne, ți-aducem închinare, Dumnezeu puternic și sfânt, ți-aducem slavă și fața ta se pleacă toate, pământul și cerul sublim. Venim și noi inimile noastre să te lăudăm, să te slăvim. Poate spune numele tău e minunat, numele tău e adevărat, numele tău e mai presus de orice nume, numele tău, ce mare ești tu, ce mare e mila ta, ce mare e tot ce faci